Hey, welcome back. Welp, come back. Welp, here I am on YouTube. I'm not actually on YouTube. I'm in my vehicle driving. I'm on my way home from a trip that I'm going exploring a location for a music video that I'm going to shoot for a friend. But who cares about that? You're here to listen to me react to some Nightwish. Now, side note, notice my other partner who reacts with me, he is not here right now. He is in the Navy and he is on a ship. I say partner, he's actually my best friend. We're not like partners like that. Like we're friends. We're both married, we have children. But he and I have been doing this channel for since November, and we kind of like it. Yeah, we do. It's true. Anyway, none of that it matters. You're here to watch me react to this song, Noise. Once again, I am painfully ignorant when it comes to Nightwish. I know like bits and pieces about the band and the songs, but I can't claim understanding to save my life. I just know, a little bit. I've heard some of their music. We've watched some of their videos, and we haven't done much studio stuff. So I thought, hey, while I'm driving, I'll knock out two things at once and react to this song. So I'm looking forward to it. I really enjoy Nightwish. I wish that I'd learned about them when I was younger, but that's besides the point. Okay, cool. So the song is Noise. Let's see. The last one I listened to was called Music, and it was very musical. Yeah, never mind. I won't tell that joke. Here we go. There's the noise.
Now you're a star, playing avatar, feeding the beast.
great vocals. Piano in the background is great. Ooh. Nice rich bass. How do you like that, Kaya? Is that good music? Like Doctor Who. Oh, so good. Well, that was amazing. There is something like just hands down unmatched to Floor's high scream. That is, yeah, that's a feature of Nightwish that I've only had like little bits and pieces of up till now, but that was just like, ooh, like makes your hair stand up. I love that that song in general. I like a lot of the parts of that song, but that particular one, man, there's something very cool about that, about their sound. Again, they really nailed their sound as Nightwish in that song. It does make me think like, oh, what would be a lot of fun? It would be so much fun to go to a Nightwish concert, just because I know they're all about the performance, and we've watched a few videos of theirs, and I really enjoy them. So, yeah, that was excellent. I really enjoy this stuff. So, if you're liking this too, make sure you like the video, but also don't forget that we have a lot of other ways to interact with us. It's not just through our reaction videos. You can actually listen to us do this live in Discord. Currently, we won't be doing that because, well, Ryan's not here. We like to do the Discord thing when we're both there. So my reactions are all going to be like this, probably in my car or outside or wherever I like to go. But once Ryan and I get together, we'll be back in the studio, our basement's garage. Okay, cool. Well, that was Nightwish. Loved it. That was not very noisy. It was very good. I enjoyed the theme. I enjoyed the lyrics. Enjoyed everything about that song. And I will see you on the next one.